Hello, I'm Chris from Terra Oracle AI. In this video, I will guide you through the first steps of getting started with the Terra Oracle AI platform. You will learn how to create your account, upload your first field, and begin exploring valuable insights about your land in just a few minutes. By the end of this tutorial, you will have your field ready for analysis and access to the powerful tools that help farmers and agronomists make more informed decisions. Let's get started. From the Terra Oracle AI website, click Login in the top right corner of the screen. If you have an account with any of our connected platforms, John Deere, CNH, or Google, you can log in and sign up using them. Otherwise, you can sign up with an email by pressing Sign Up. Enter your name, email address, and password, then click Sign Up. A confirmation email will be sent to the email address you provided. Open the email and click the confirmation link to activate your account. Once your email is confirmed, you can log in and start using Terra Oracle AI. When logging in for the first time, you will be prompted to create your first field. There are several ways to create a field in Terra Oracle AI. You can draw the field boundary directly on the map, import a shapefile, or synchronize fields from third-party platforms such as John Deere Operations Center or CNH FieldOps. For this tutorial, let's create our first field by drawing it on the map. Click Draw to begin. The map will automatically open and center on your current location. If your field is located elsewhere, simply use the search bar to find the correct location. Next, draw the boundaries of your field directly on the map. Once the field boundary is complete, enter the client name, farm name, and field name. Click Save, and your field will be created and ready for analysis within the Terra Oracle AI platform. If you already have field boundaries available, you can create your field even faster by uploading a shapefile. Select Upload Shapefile, then upload a zip file containing your field boundary shapefile. Terra Oracle AI will automatically import the field geometry and populate the available field information. Review the details and make any necessary changes to the client name, farm name, or field name. When everything looks correct, click Create Field. Your field is now ready, and you can immediately begin exploring insights and agronomic recommendations within the platform. To access your field, simply click Open. As soon as the field loads, you will have immediate access to terrain elevation data, local weather conditions, and active weather alerts relevant to your field. Within approximately 10 minutes, Terra Oracle AI will automatically download and process satellite imagery, making the NDVI layer available for analysis. Feel free to explore the Field Intelligence section, where you can view historical vegetation performance, terrain characteristics, weather insights, and other valuable information that helps you better understand your field and support agronomic decision-making. Congratulations! Your Terra Oracle AI account is now set up, and your first field has been successfully created. You now have access to a growing range of agronomic intelligence, including terrain analysis, weather insights, satellite imagery, and field performance data. In the next training videos, you will learn how to connect external platforms, upload soil analysis results, generate high-resolution soil maps, and create variable rate application prescriptions to support more precise and profitable farming decisions. Thank you for choosing Terra Oracle AI. We look forward to helping you unlock the full potential of your field data.